Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women fingerless gloves. Different color, design, ideas you can see in front of you. Most different style you can see. So dear friends, for those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection, dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman fingerless gloves and others like crochet woman long gloves, short gloves, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder dresses, long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, skirts, panchu, caplet, cap shawl, woman cap design, scarf, circular jacket design, blouse designs, also cardigans, crochet baby collection like crochet baby frock design, crochet baby romper design, crochet baby cap design, sandal design, boot design, crochet jewelry like crochet woman necklace designs, earring designs, and others like crochet bracelet designs, crochet woman anklet and baby anklet also. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your